hey.
Hey, aren't you that guy who plays Dave Mustaine in Megadeth?
Yeah.
And Greg in the Allman Brothers Band?
Yes.
And Larry Norman as himself?
Yes.
You're that guy who beats Yu-Gi-Oh games with a fishing rod, right?
Yes. I know. Yeah.
You're the singer of John Doe and the Penultimate Male Fantasies.
Yeah.
You're Audi Michael, right? Brother of Nick Michael?
Yes.
And you've been playing Baba as you on stream, right? Chat is me.
Yes.
Hey, aren't you the guy who sold me some stuff in the park that one time? Oh my God, is that your substitute?
Yeah.
What did you do with Trent?
Yeah.
You're the guy who shuts everyone down, right?
Yes, I know. Yes, okay. Yeah.
Oh, you're that chick Lou Bega left out of Mambo number 5, right?
Yes.